The flexibility of the PPM seasoning equipment is really its main strength. It can be adjusted to suit a variety of products. So by that I mean seasonings can be extremely light and fluffy, which has their own problems to handle, or they can be very heavy and fat-laden, which causes its own various problems. We have the flexibility and the variety of equipment to be able to accommodate all of those. So if you can imagine a potato chip that's your favorite flavor and it makes your fingers all orange, we're able to handle that type of seasoning and apply that extremely accurately to that potato chip product. Or if you would prefer to have something that's very low sodium and have just a very light dusting of salt on your potato chip, we're able to achieve that as well.
As a senior engineer, one of the things we get to work on is being in charge of whole projects for customers. The advantage is we get to be involved from the beginning and visiting the customer on site during the sales portion, and really getting to know the customer and the problems they're having, and being able to design the entire system in their plant, being responsible for every piece of equipment that goes in there and how they interact with each other. It's really rewarding to work with a customer from the front end all the way through the end of the project. Seeing the plant empty and being able to put in all of our equipment and watching it run the product that they have.
When I start developing a machine for a customer, I'm really looking at the product and what does it take to get that product to behave the way you want it to behave. We've had some customers come to us that want to separate products based on maybe a product being doubled up, so they're a little bit thicker than the other product, and we will look at that and say, how can I do that? Do I need a vibratory conveyor? Do I need disc rollers with small gaps? That allows us to get the best outcome for our customer. Sometimes that takes a little testing. You try one thing, it works, maybe not as good as you want, you go down a different route and see if that works a little better. So we always end up with a good solution in the end.